Ever looked at a piece of text and thought, why are these words repeating? It can be so annoying, right? Today, we'll figure out how to remove duplicate words from a string in a fun and easy way. Trust me, it's going to be super simple. Let's get started. Imagine you're reading a story and some words keep repeating. It gets irritating and hard to follow. Removing these duplicates will make your text much smoother and easier to read. Sounds good? Let's see how it's done. Alright, so we have a string with some duplicate words, and we want to remove these duplicates while keeping the order the same. For example, if we have, this is a test string, we want to change it to, this is a test string. Let's break it down into simple steps. Split the string. We convert the string into an array of words. Use a set. We use a set to store words and remove duplicates. Join the words. We convert the set back into a string. Let's dive into the Eclipse editor. Notice that our string contains duplicate words. The first step is to split the string into individual words, as shown in line 12. Next, we'll use the linked hashset class to remove duplicate words while maintaining their order. We'll briefly discuss the linked hashset class now, and cover it in more detail in a future video, so stay tuned. A linked hashset is a collection class in Java that combines the uniqueness of a hashset with the order-preserving feature of a linked list. It's part of the Java Collections framework and is perfect for when you need a set that maintains insertion order. The main features are: maintains insertion order. Unlike a regular hashset, a linked hashset keeps track of the order in which elements are inserted. No duplicate elements. Just like a hashset, it does not allow duplicate elements. Fast access. Provides constant time performance for basic operations like add, remove, and contains. Let's get back to the code. As you can see in line number 14, we are using the string.jo in method to join the words. Using a linked hashset is smart because it maintains the order of insertion while removing duplicates. This ensures that the final string keeps the original order of words without any repetition. Alright, here are some extra tips for you. If you want to ignore case, just convert all the words to lowercase before adding them to the set. And be mindful of punctuation. You might need to handle it separately to avoid any issues. By following these simple steps, you can easily remove duplicate words from any string. This makes your text cleaner and more professional. Give it a try in your projects and see the difference. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.